Imagine drifting above a fairy tale landscape as the sun paints the sky. Cappadocia's hot air balloon rides are pure magic. Picture this: you're gently rising over a sea of unique rock formations and ancient valleys, with dozens of colorful balloons floating around you. The view is surreal, almost like you're in a dream. Make sure you're ready to capture the moment, but also take time to simply soak it all in. For an extra special touch, opt for a private ride to enjoy a quieter, more intimate experience with the sunrise. Here's a pro tip: book your balloon ride at least a month ahead, especially during peak seasons, to secure the best spot. Book with Royal Balloon or Butterfly balloons; they are the safest. Also, check the weather. The clearest skies make for the most stunning views. Don't forget to dress in layers. Early mornings can be chilly, but you'll warm up as the sun rises. And here's something cool. Many rides end with a traditional champagne toast, giving you a taste of local celebration and a perfect way to mark the start of your unforgettable day. Cappadocia isn't just a destination, it's an experience where luxury, adventure, and history come together. Follow for more travel secrets and drop a comment if you'd love to soar above these magical landscapes.